Hi, my name is Sir Wesh. Today I will show you how to generate website using HTML, CSS and JavaScript using AI in VS Code. Let's begin by making a landing page for a portfolio website. We will simply give the prompt, write code in HTML, CSS and JavaScript to generate a modern landing page for a personal portfolio website. Make the website responsive, generate code in one single file. Wait for the code to generate, it will take some time. Now insert the code into a new file, and save the file in a suitable location, and then run the code by pressing F5 on the keyboard. So this is how the website is looking. We can see that it is a small rough design, but most important aspect is that this website is responsive to different screen sizes. Responsive design means that the elements of the website get rearranged according to the screen size. This makes the website more accessible. Responsive design can be achieved using the media query in the CSS. Here, in this code, when the maximum width of the viewport is 768px or less, the font size of H1 elements is set to 20px and the font size of H2 elements is set to 18px. Media query can be considered as logical block in the HTML code that can control the size and alignment of elements of the code. Now, here is the web page created after changing the code multiple times. Some changes are done using AI and some are done manually. Now the navbar is more visible with color added. Also the card for the sections are made. This section can be assessed by clicking the buttons on the navbar. If we take a close look to the edges of the cards, we can see that neomorphism effect is applied to the card. This generates an illusion of 3D effect. Neomorphism is applied on every card. We can change the values on the shadows of the card, color of the cards, etc. Only thing we need to make this changes is the knowledge in CSS codes. Thanks for watching. I will be soon coming with new video on combining two separate pages, so that website can be navigated to different pages. Until then, please like this video and share this video to other.